So I've noticed a trend. You guys really want to know about courses that you can take to help you progress in UX. And I got you. Welcome back. I am Sooo, a UX designer who is obsessed with color and accessibility. And we're going to talk about some courses that you can take, some certifications that you can take from Udemy that can help you progress, level up, upskill, reskill, new skill, any skill that you want to do in this UX framework. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we do that, let's just kind of give a refresher about what UX is. A lot of people are new to this field because it's really been around for a very long time, but it's just having a resurgence. It's having its moment. Everybody's kind of just really noticing how helpful and beneficial it is for pretty much all industries, but the tech industry is where it really is having its heyday. So it's really about how I as a professional really advocates for you, the user, to make sure that applications that we're building really connects with you emotionally and gives you a better pathway to life. It's just making sure that you're heard, that your perspective is taken care of, and that somebody is taking care of you in the boardroom. Oh, God. So with that being said, let's jump into the Udemy courses that you can take that I think are a good idea for you to know and brush up on as a UX designer. So some of the courses that I suggest you take is really understanding the fundamentals of UX. And then when you master that, you can move on to understanding the software and things like that we use. So main software things that we use include Figma, Sketch, and XD. Those are the main three software situations that we use as UX designers. Udemy has lots and lots of courses. I'm gonna highlight 3 for you guys to look at, but there's so much more for you to go ahead and look into. And knowing that this Friday is a holiday, sales abundant, so you can go ahead and check out some of these courses for a very low price. Some are like low as $9.99. The first course I suggest you check out is called User Experience Design Fundamentals. It'll help you understand the elements of user experience, learn how to prioritize and what requirements you need, learn how to create wireframes, which is a huge buzzword in our industry, learn visual design, what you need, all those cues that you need in order to make your designs visually appealing, and so much more. Also understanding A/B testing, because that's a huge part of what we do here as UX designers. And this course here on Udemy is saying it's only $11.99 for you to go through this entire course, really understand the fundamentals. Another thing too that you want to check out when you're checking out these Udemy courses is to check the ratings. There are over thousands and thousands of ratings that will help you really pick the courses that you're interested in. And for this course, it's over 11,000 ratings, and it's a pretty high rated course. So definitely, I think this one should be at the top of your list if you're trying to understand what we do here as UX designers. Moving on, I suggest you understand theories, understand why we do certain things, understand why we have certain evaluations for certain levels in this business. So the second course that I'm going to recommend is called UX Design and User Experience Design Course, Theory Only. I know sometimes theory can be a little bit boring, but I think it's really fundamental in understanding the reasons, the ideas, the thoughts, the feelings, the emotions, and how it connects into all of what we do here. So once again, this course, super cheap, $13.99. Of course, it's a Black Friday deal. And the things that you'll probably learn in this course are how to research like a UXer, how to create wireframes again, how to report to your user testing results, how to make profiles, personas, things of that nature. And this one I think is really good because it shows you how to use envision. Envision is another tool that we use here in our industry that is also kind of industry standard. So knowing about envision, knowing the ins and outs of envision, knowing how to use it appropriately, I think this course is definitely one you should check out. So that's number 2 on the list. Third course is called Figma UX UI Design Essentials. If you've been in this UX world or you're just now starting, I promise you've probably heard about Figma. Figma is a prototyping tool that we use to create wireframes, low fidelity, all the way to high fidelity, and prototyping within this web interface. So this course, Figma UI UX Design Essentials, it's $9.99. It's going to show you how to work with Figma, how to use Figma, prototyping, how to build a project from the beginning to the end, more about wireframes, how to test on mobile, creating your first brief, your first persona. There's so many different things that you can learn here in this course. The requirements for this course are simple. You'll need Figma, but that's not a bad thing. You can find Figma easily for free on the internet. You don't have to subscribe to anything. It doesn't have to cost anything. So for this course, no previous skills are needed, which is a plus. So you can just dive right in there and do all the things that you can to get that stunning portfolio piece. This course is listed at $9.99. So what are you waiting for? There are tons and tons of courses. Those are my top 3. There's so many more that you can look into. Check out more ideas for courses in the description and come back for another video and we can talk some more. I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.